This is it. No, this is it. She's turning.
Bro, come on.
Not this again.
What's going on?
No, here we go. Here we go. No.
Oh my god, this is so annoying. Bro, come on.
Bro, do you seriously
Yeah,
have to do that? How else would I tell her that we're turning?
It's too much. You're doing too much.
I'm doing too much. Yes. Oh yeah? Well, let's see. How do you tell her she's out of gas?
Listen, we don't have to talk about that.
No,
right
you
now.
brought it up. Show the class.
I don't want to show the class.
How do you tell her she's out of gas?
You're not gonna let this go, are you?
No, I'm not.
So I go like,
oh my god.
you got Miley Cyrus looking
at.
at.
You're gonna give me crap? And you glow like a lava lamp?
He does look like a lava lamp.
Look at the little light bright. Give me a cute little light bright.
Should we let them go? No. Make them wait a little longer. It's getting good.
Playing the same game.
Yeah, it is getting good.